What's up guys, it's Isaac here back with another mock. This week we've got an awesome tower built in a medieval theme, and this could kind of be Ninjago, but I wasn't really meaning for it to be, and it's got some nice foliage around and a really cool Lego building technique, which I'll get into in a minute. But first, let's just look at how it looks on the outside. It's got a nice round shape to it, and as you can see, this whole top part is built on an angle. That way it looks like it's getting smashed apart. This cannonball right here bashing through its way, and so you've got extra bricks flying out and it's leaving a trail of smoke in its wake. All of the soldiers and guards that were sitting on top are just falling off, flying off the edges, trying to hold on as best they can with the archer here on the top. And as you can see, when I spin it around, all of the walls are complete. There aren't any holes that are left on the back, so it's visible from any side. We've got all kinds of different patterned bricks making up the walls here, and some nice translucent red scattered in there as well. There's also this little extra tree bit right here with some icicles hanging off of that, and that dead soldier has already fallen off. This build leaves some to the imagination because you don't know who or what shot this cannonball through the tower. All you know is it's being attacked, and you're not really sure if these are villains or if these are good guys. Should you feel sorry for them? But it's just a very nice, simple, small mock with a lot of extra detail. But I want to show you guys how I did the curved wall. That's not a new technique, but it's definitely a very important one that a lot of builders like to use for building curved walls, especially in medieval mocks. So to make a curved wall like the one I used in the Siege mock, you need two things. Lots of 1x2 bricks and lots of 1x1 round bricks. The round bricks allow the wall to curve, so they're very important. The first thing to do is stagger the 1x2s and then place one 1x1 in each gap. And you can already see that this can curve a little bit. So all you have to do is keep building sections like this, alternating the 1x2s and the 1x1s until you have the wall size that you would like. As you can see, I have a pretty cool pattern going. If you use all of the same color, the wall will be more uniform, but if you want a cool pattern like this, using two different colors is a great way to do that. You could also do stripes, and this wall can go for as long as you want it or as tall as you want it, depending on how many pieces you have. It's a little bit fragile right now, but as you can see, it curves nicely. Plenty of people use this for more than just castle mocks. You can use it as a wave, or you could have a slide. Lots of fun. And it turns out that you can use this technique with other sized bricks as well. As long as you use the round 1x1s, you can swap out the 2x1s for any other sized bricks. A 1x3, a 1x4. The bigger the bricks get, however, the less the wall will be able to curve. And that's about all I have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See you then.